Welcome back to Adam's DIY Universe, and today I'm making a baiting station for rodents, etc. Just been down to the hardware store and seen that baiting stations were around $40 or so, and I thought, well, I've got a little bit of drain pipe at home, and I thought maybe I could make myself a baiting station out of that. So I've cut a section here. This one's 60 centimeters wide. I'm just cutting it in half so I can make two. Got a couple of nails here that I've found that will go through the full diameter of the downpipe. So what I'm going to do is drill a hole in the middle here. And then basically this nail, I'll bang that through with a hammer to the other side, and that will hold the bait in place. So I've got my bait here, mouse or rat bait. Yeah, basically I'm going to put that in the middle of the pipe, bang the nail through to the other side, and that will hold the bait in place so the rodent cannot take it away. They have to eat it while they're there. I have drilled my hole through either side, punched the nail through with the bait in the middle, so that's holding it in place. And I'm just going to do one other thing to make sure that things other than the rodents don't make their way in there. What I'm doing now is just screwing a couple of screws, one either side of the bait, right the way through the pipe. Here we have it, a 30 centimeter long downpipe baiting station with the screws through on either side. I realised that you could probably use 3 screws and just the middle screw could just go through the bait as well. It'd probably be slightly quicker. But anyway, took me an extra half a minute, and this is how it's set up now so that anything larger than a rodent can't get through there and at the bait. So we'll see how it works. I'm just out in my garden now, and I'm going to check a baiting station which I'd set up earlier. As well as the screws on either side, I like to conceal the station so it's not attractive to any young people or things like that. Also too, what you want to do is, rodents often run along areas and fences, things like that, so find a little area where you may see things like this, which is rodent droppings. And so I've set it up along here. Let's have a little look. And you see it's got plenty of attention there, which is good for me and bad for the rodents. See, these screws don't go right the way through, so I'd recommend having some longer ones if you've got them. Back in the garage now, I've put 2 longer screws through on either side and a new bait in the station. So it's all ready to go back out in the garden. If you found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house and garden. Thanks for watching.